Okay, this is my last part. Leanne Fish is leaving Monday, and I'm going to court Tuesday. Coincidence? I don't think so. This must be all planned between the Fredericton Police and the Justice Department. They all work together. You must understand, these judges are appointed. They're not voted by the people like down the states, which I think this is what we should do here. You have Cameron Gunn, Attorney General, had a special team of prosecutors to come after me for that false assault charge. A special team of prosecutors, which I had no right to a lawyer. And then the public, we raised $4,400 to get a lawyer. And we fought this in court, and I was found not guilty, which should have never been in the court in the first place. And this guy Cameron Gunn gets appointed as a judge. Anyway, the justice system there's no justice system here. They're a bunch of elitists. They're a bunch that, if the poor or the working poor that dares to fight back through the courts, they start talking lawyer talk. They start talking about codes and past case laws and, you know, stuff that the normal New Brunswicker, and they whisper, do not understand what they're saying. So Leanne Fitch is retiring, and she's going to work for the RCMP advisory board, making more money. And she's just leaving because it's the right thing for her to go, because there's a lot of, if you think the trial of the shooter, the idiot that shot the 4 people, is bad, wait till the real trial starts of, you know, the cops and how they were called to a scene. They weren't prepared, but they all stopped people from having police scanners. Oh no, police scanners, that's unsafe. It's unsafe because the police don't want people to know that they're coming. And then there's a shooting going on, and people come out, hey, what's going on here? Boom! And plus, even the firemen. You don't know if there's a fire, nobody knows. I don't know what the secrecy is all about. So, I'm jumping here, sorry, it's been a long day. So, the bottom line, going to court Tuesday is no big deal. It's at 1:30, June the 11th. And, you know, the justice system, it's corrupt. There's no question about it. Like for an example, they charge you with a summary assault, summary sexual assault. The minute the word summary is there, that means you don't have the right to a lawyer. New Brunswick Legal Aid will not give you a lawyer because there's little chance of you going to jail. The judge can still put you in jail for 6 months, but that's the reason it's a summary. And then there's no preliminary hearing to find out if there's enough evidence to proceed to trial. So the justice system here in New Brunswick is a scam. I'm going there Tuesday. I don't know why I'm there. They said for other issues. I don't have a clue. They showed up at my door. We'll do a little video on the guy that knocked at my window an hour after I left the hospital. I don't know if there's a connection there. I don't know if the hospital is connected to the law firm. And come and get me here. And anyway, they want me in court. I guess I gotta show up. The judge, Garnett, was funny because her decision was the fastest she ever rendered. She ordered me to pay $4,000 court costs. Where are they going to get $4,000 from me? And for them to falsely accuse me to be a pedophile. And I don't have my day in court without Leanne Fitch ordering those 2 cops to come down from Edmundston to shoot me. And when I say to shoot me, I mean to shoot me, because the thing's going to turn ugly. When 2 strangers approach me, go to YouTube, write Edmundston Police and Charles LeBlanc, approach me and tell me to go for a ride. And I fight back. It would have been like Michel Vionneau in Batters, where the cops shot him dead. But I was screaming and screaming, leave me alone. You could hear me about a mile away. At least I didn't. I was thinking, for once, to not fight back because they have the guns. So I think the I don't know what's going to happen Tuesday. I don't know if they're going to order me not to blog anymore, or they could come up with anything. It's a small room. It's a room that's very, very evil. You can't hear. They whisper, and they can say anything they want because they know you have no money, you have no lawyer, and you can't bring it to a higher court because you're not allowed to. Because if you dare, what's going to happen? They're going to send police officers from another police force to come and get you. So, for next week, I'm going to be putting these videos on, and stay tuned. Truly stay tuned.